Hey guys, today we have another advent calendar unboxing. I'm so excited because today we're going to be unboxing the Sheglam 12 Days of Glam. Which I am so excited. How cute is this? So you open it up and it's like a little camera, and then you open it up like that. It's really hard to show you, but I'm so excited. So yeah, it's super cute, but before we open any doors, we have this little thing in here. So let's open this and have a look. So it says from 2019 to 2024. Does this tell you the products or not? Okay, no. Okay, cute. So I think it just like kind of tells you their story, which is so cute. And they're all on little postcards, which is so cute. So we've got one for each year. I'm not going to go through all of these, but I will read the first one. It says, back in 2019, a squad of beauty-obsessed dreamers asked the million-dollar question: what does great makeup always come with? Why? So I've completely butchered this. I'm sorry. Why does great makeup always come with a jaw-dropping price tag, while the budget-friendly options barely make the cut? We decided to flip the script on the beauty industry with our fresh, fearless creativity. Our mission to deliver products that are both beautifully affordable and affordably beautiful, because looking fabulous shouldn't cost a fortune. Cute. And then it just, yeah, it goes through like each year and what they did in each year, which I just think is really sweet. So, wow, so they've only been around for 5 years. That's crazy. But yeah, I think those are super cute. I love that you can have a little read of everything. This is one thing I love about Sheglam. I feel like they really go like above and beyond with all of their stuff, and yeah, I just feel like everything is just done really cute. Comes in this super cute little envelope. So then we open up our camera. We have 12 days in here, but we also have this little drawer down here. So let's have a look at these things first. So this is cute. This is the first thing we have in here. I don't know what it's meant to be really. It's obviously like a little wallet or something like that. It says memories on it, and on the back it has name, address, and the phone. And it's got somewhere that you can attach to your like keys or your key ring or whatever. And it just says Sheglam. So cute. I don't know if it's meant to be like a passport holder maybe. And then this one says the Book of Memories, special edition, with every blink, memories wink. Cute. And you open it up. Oh, and you can write in there. That's so cute. Like, I just think that's so sweet. Like, I don't know. I just really like that. I feel like it's very sweet. So, I feel like those are just cute little additions to the calendar to just make them like, I don't know. It's really sweet. Okay, but let's get started and get on to the actual calendar. And obviously we're starting with day 1. I don't think I'm going to be able to hold this thing up for the whole video, but I'm just going to give you a little look at inside. Hopefully you can see that. And then let's get to unboxing it. It's really like awkwardly shaped. But anyway, number 1 looks like it's the biggest. So let's look at her. Oh, cute. Okay, so I actually recently got some of these in my Sheglam haul, and what this is the little lip dazzler kit. So when you buy them on Sheglam, they look like this, like they come in a little kit, but obviously in the calendar it's come like this, so it's got like all the bits separately. Let's have a look. So the first thing we have is the lip dazzler lip liner in Center Stage, which I actually bought this the other day, so I'm not gonna open this one, or like use it or whatever. But yeah, so it comes with the little, actually no, you know what I will do? I'll use, oh, did I swatch the other one? Oh, I can't remember. Anyway, so it comes with a little lip liner, it comes with a little applicator, then we have a little glue, and then the little glitter. So what it is you put your lip liner on, and then you put your lip liner on, then you brush the little adhesive on, and then you put your glitter on, and it's called like, they're called like the lip dazzler lip kits or whatever. So it's so exciting. That is our first little product. Okay, on to day 2. Oh, this is so exciting. Oh my god, I can't get it out. So this is the Good Grip Hydrating Primer. It's blueberry and AHA, which is so exciting. I actually bought the Good Grip Primer, but like the original one. So it's so exciting that they have this one, and I'm pretty sure this is a new product, so that's really exciting. That was day 2. Day 3. Ooh, what is this? Ooh, this is the Enigma Sparkly Eyeshadow in Treasure. That's actually really stunning. Look at that. Let's give her a little swatch. That's so pretty. Cute. That's how it looks there. It's like, and then that's the swatch of it. Super pretty. I'm excited for that. I feel like that'll be a really nice product, you know, like when you do those like one eyeshadow looks where you just put a whole one colour over your lid and then like just put lashes. I feel like they look really, really nice. Day 4. Oh my god, we got another one. This one, we've got another one of these, the Enigma eyeshadows. This one is in Such a Prize. And this looks stunning as well. So this one's obviously more like silver. So pretty. Once again, I feel like it just makes such a nice like one and done eyeshadow look. My only critique is I wish they weren't one after the other in the calendar, but that's me being picky. Day 5, what is this? This is cute. Pink Sprinkles Cheek to Cheek Blush Duo. I actually love that packaging so much. You know the trend that like was going around, the, was it Aura Nails or whatever they were? This is cute. I actually think this is so nice. Oops. So that's the packaging there, which I just think is absolutely stunning. Like I love that so much. And inside we have a little blush duo. So we've got a cream and a powder. That is so cute. I love that. I feel like Sheglam have such a good way of making their products look really luxe and nice. Like I feel like all of their products are just an experience. Like that's just so pretty and like aesthetically pleasing. Anyway, day 6. This is the Hot Topic Colour Bloom Liquid Lash. So pretty. This one, I don't know why, it gives me like watermelon vibes or something. I don't know, I feel like that's really pretty. And I know that these are very popular. I actually don't have one of these. So that's the packaging there. Like I just feel like the packaging's so pretty. And you open it up and that's the colour. So pretty. It reminds me of like watermelon lemonade or I don't know, something really summery. Okay, day 7. Dude, what the hell is this? God, it's a little like lip product on a keychain. That is so cute. This is the Crystal Glaze Moisturising Lip Care in Strawberry Milk. How cute is that? I hope this doesn't smell like strawberry milk because I hate strawberry milk. I don't think it does though. So that's a close-up. Like so cute. And then it comes with a little fluffy. I'm gonna swatch it. It seems to be quite like thick. That's the shade there. I feel like it's really pretty. Oh god, it does smell a bit strawberry. It doesn't smell like strawberry milk though, thank god, because I hate strawberry milk. It does smell really nice though. I don't know, I just think that's really cute. I feel like this is one of their newer products as well, which is really fun. Day 8. I actually can't get over I'm sorry, I've got toilet paper in my hand. I've got toilet paper to like wipe the swatches, but I just wiped the swatch off my hand, but it actually smells so good. Anyway, day 8, we have an eyeshadow palette which is so cute. This is the Jazzy Jigsaw eyeshadow palette. And I feel like this would be cute to the normal person, but when I see this, it just reminds me of the Saw movies and it kind of turns me off a bit. But anyway, it's in the shade Love and Taupe, which is cute. And this is actually a really cute colour story. I kind of like it. But yeah, I don't know about any of you guys, but I get like Jigsaw vibes. But yeah, I think that's actually such a cute palette. And I feel like it'll go really nicely with those eyeshadows we got as well. Day 9. Oh, this is exciting, guys. So they've got a Sheglam hair product in here. And I don't think Sheglam hair like literally just got announced like yesterday or something. So that's so exciting. Because I know that this one's like real new. This is the Hot Streak Thermal Defense Glow Elixir. Wow. And that looks really nice. I kind of want to smell it. Oh, that smells really good. Yum! Like, I don't know what it's like an oil, like obviously it's like a, I don't know. Yum! I don't know what it smells like, but it really reminds me of something. Also, I wish I hadn't done that because I have oil all over my fingers now. But that looks like such a nice product. I'm so excited. That's so cool. That's one thing that I really love about this calendar, that they've included like new things. Like, you can tell this calendar isn't just made up of stuff that they're trying to get rid of. I can't stop smelling it. It smells so good. I wish I knew what it smelled like because I really feel like I've smelled it before. Anyway, we're on to our last couple of days, which is so sad. I don't want this calendar to end. But we're on day 10 now. Oh my god, I'm literally wearing this product today. This is the Insta Ready Face and Under Eye Setting Powder Duo in Bubblegum, which is literally the shade I'm wearing today. But that's exciting because that means one of you guys will get this. So this is how it looks here. We have like a powder up the top. And believe it or not, this is the under eye setting powder. If you watch when my full face of Sheglam video comes out, you'll get what I'm talking about. Then we have a loose one underneath. And that's full size. I'm pretty sure everything in here has been full size. So That's great. Okay, second last day is day 11. This is the Jelly Wow Glitter Lip. How exciting in Sour Gummy. Let's give her a swatch. I'm so like curious. I don't think that has a smell. No, it doesn't. Wow, that's such a pretty like colour. So that's a swatch of it there. And this is how it looks. Super pretty. Love that. And on to our last day, day 12. Ah, this is so cute. This is one of the Lunar Glow highlights. I don't know what one it is though, because they don't come with like individual shade names, but it's like a very pinky one, which I know I don't have, so I'll have to find out what shade it is. Actually, I think it tells you on the spoilers down the bottom. It's in Heart Galaxy. How pretty is that? Like, I just think that's so pretty. Absolutely stunning. Let's give her a little swatch. That's such a nice shade. Just swatch it like there. It's not the best swatch, but yeah. So that was everything in the Sheglam calendar, and I am honestly obsessed. Like, I think this is such a nice calendar. This is honestly better than some of the 24-day ones that I've unboxed. So, and it was like a fraction of the price. I can't remember exactly how much. I think it was like $80 or something like that. But yeah, I am so impressed with this calendar. It might be my favorite of the season so far. So yeah, I highly recommend getting it if you can and if you liked what came in here. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching this video. Really hope you enjoyed it, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.